Flying on a paper airplane must be so magical. With your help, magical is about to become unfreaking believable. This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the modules. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a PowerUp FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly. PowerUp FPV is ready for production. So if you love flying and want to ride a paper airplane, back PowerUp FPV and help make what was once magical unfreaking believable.
Or the backcountry. It even floats. But it's also really easy to use. With Sprite's powerful autopilot, you can create three-dimensional GPS flight paths. You can change speed, hold a position, fly circles, a survey pattern, even scan structures or regions of interest, all while keeping the camera pointed right where you want it. Sprite can even follow you to capture that ultimate perspective. Or if you like, you can fly Sprite with an optional remote control transmitter. The automatic, controllerless flight modes let you program Sprite and leave the controllers back at base camp or at home. The airframe is made up of durable connecting sections, making it super easy to change batteries or even payloads on the go, without tools. Sprite comes with a camera mounted on a one-axis stabilized gimbal to take crystal clear video and still images in full high definition. A GoPro module with a two-axis stabilized gimbal is also available and attaches to Sprite in seconds. Because Sprite is modular, you'll be able to easily add new cameras, sensors, network communications hardware, and other accessories as they become available. We've spent more than 2 years perfecting Sprite, and the hard part is behind us. We now need your help to get us over the final hurdle and into production. But to get Sprite out of our backpack and into your hands, we need to know that the world is just as interested in a portable, rugged, and simple-to-use aerial platform as we are. please support us on Kickstarter. Choose a reward that's best for you and help spread the word among your friends, family, and colleagues. Tell anyone who you think can use an unmanned aerial vehicle as portable, rugged, powerful, and simple to use as Sprite. Please visit our website for more information and details about Sprite and about us. And thanks for your help. The future of Sprite is in your hands.
Hey, my name is Robert Morrison, and I am the founder of Axis Drones, and today I have with me the Wallet drone. The Wallet drone is the world's smallest quadcopter. It fits inside of the controller itself, which is the size of a wallet, fits perfectly into your pocket. Not only does the quadcopter fit inside of the remote control, but it actually uses the remote control's batteries to charge itself while not in use, making it go virtually anywhere that you can. This is the most portable, compact quadcopter on the market.
So we've had probably about 5 or 6 different remote control planes, but the Wallet drone seems to last forever. Maybe it's the size, the small size of it, but it flew longer than just about any other copter we've ever used.
The Wallet drone is available in 4 unique colors: blue, green, yellow, and orange. Get yours today on Indiegogo for a simple contribution, and we'll deliver one right to your pocket.
A new generation of a portable, phone-operated drone is coming. Drone technology doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Ever since I was a child, I've been full of curiosity. I often dreamt of flying. Now, LevTop makes this dream possible. The LevTop is high-tech with a solid build quality. We installed the CMOS technology used in digital cameras, meaning your pictures and videos will be sharper and more stunning than any other drones. But most important, its design is unique. Our team worked on each detail to get a perfect, well-balanced result between function and portability. Easily foldable, you can bring the LevTop anywhere you want by naturally carrying it at your waist. Forget complicated preparations. As soon as you're ready to fly, it'll take you only one click to take off. Using our motion control technology via your mobile, you can drive the flight path by simply tilting your phone. Just move on the right or on the left. The LevTop is also very easy to use. Preset the LevTop to GPS and vision position to keep you in the frame. With its intelligent flight system, enjoy full freedom of movement, while LevTop captures the perfect shot, following and tracking your actions automatically. With LevTop, you're free from the control stick. and take a picture whenever you feel like it. Once you got your shot, you can edit it on your smartphone and share your own aerial footage to YouTube or Facebook instantly. With our new precision positioning technology, in one click your drone returns exactly where it took off. We're committed to making LevTop the portable, affordable, and fun drone you finally deserve. Thanks for watching.